Welcome to another week of Sunday's Forex Talk. This week we're trading XAUUSD for the win. For the win, we're trading XAUUSD. Last week we took XAUUSD from the bottom to top. Supports to resistance 1790 to 1825. This week we're going the opposite direction. No telling how low we'll get. There's a support zone here at the same level, 1790. But there also is a bigger zone, a bigger level that's wanting price to go lower than 1790, this weekly support zone. Okay, so down here you see 1756, another support below 1790 is waiting for the weekly support zone. So we will trade halfway until we see a correction. We got an alert for US CHF, hour one buy alert. So the dollar Swiss is looking bullish for the hour, and GBP USD is also on the rise. So we were expecting a reversal for the GBP USD, but we didn't get. We got continuous higher highs. So we're waiting for the sell. Okay. This area right up here says there's a weak resistance. So that should say that instead of selling, we should continue higher highs. Okay, so we got this huge engulfing candle right where daily resistance and weekly resistance is, and it did reverse for the time that it did, but the support zone here says weak resistance. So what that tells me is we want to wait this out, keep on giving GBP USD the bullish run it's giving, and carry on with the GBP yen. Okay. So the GBP yen has been falling for some time now, for about since the 11th of January, and we want to wait for that trend to reverse for the bullish run for the GBP yen. Okay, so we have limit set for the XAU at 1826. And the 4-hour support is going to give us some corrective action, like range even between these two areas, 1826 and 1817. We'll trade sideways and wait for the range to pull us back down to where we had originally entered at 1790. Okay, so let's take a look at S&P's 500. We got a buy in place already. We're about $1 in profit. This is the weekly, daily, and 4-hour support, and we're taking it to however much we can. S&Ps have been bullish for the past couple weeks, and it's only until now that we're getting some pullback. We could continue to get a lot more pullback, but my bias is always bullish for the S&P's 500. So if you have any questions, don't be afraid to ask them. I will be checking those comments, concerns. Let's look at the Euro USD before we sign off this. The Euro US on the 4 hours gave us impulse move all the way to the hour 4 resistance. And this whole section before then, since November 26th, has been ranging sideways. So what we want to look for is this candle here that gave us a pullback, this correction area to take buys to the monthly resistance. Okay, so we'll do that when the time is ready. For now, my limit is set at 1.13, and we'll go from there. See you on the next video, or until we upload again and review our traits. Take it easy.